Welcome to Church Office Online's video tutorial on how to add and manage records of individuals and households. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to add individual and households to your program, but you'll also learn how to make changes and manage individuals you've added. This process has been streamlined by providing an easy, intuitive format, key contact fields, customized fields, and checkoff options. Let's begin. First of all, open your program. And once you have come to the dashboard, you'll want to go to the church section. Go to View and Edit Individuals, and once you have done so, you'll be able to take a look at the records that have been entered. Notice that we have added a filter by phone or mobile phone option in this record. We've also added throughout the program a global individual search now, in which you can put in the first or last name of an individual, and thus being taken immediately to the record. For our purposes today, we'll go to Manage option here on this first name of our sample program. Notice this has Manage has replaced the View Edit, and when you go to Manage, you'll be able to see what you would see if you were to add this individual, or from the Add Individual option, or to view or edit an individual. Now you'll notice that we have first name, place, and the last name, plus we have throughout the page quick links to various types of features, like the Export vCard feature that is used for Mac or Apple programs. You also have a new updated utility to update and upload pictures into your program. Just by simply clicking this and going to Upload, it will allow you to search your database and select a picture to be placed into your program. Once it's placed, you have the option to crop the image, resize the image, or clear the image for another picture to be placed. We'll just simply click Resize Image. Once it does, and you've checked that this image is acceptable, then go ahead and click Save, and that will place it into your program. After it's placed, then you can click the Save button. The save will always give you a notification that the save has been successful, and just click OK. You can then continue to add more information into this record, or you can move on to another record. And again, notice the global search up at the top of the window, which can allow you to go into another record if you so choose. Notice that we've added an additional alternate address field. You can use the first address field as the primary field, and again, these two grayed areas are fields that have been pre-populated based upon the church settings address for your church, and which would include state and country, and there will be other types of quick entries that you can make as well. The alternate address will allow you the opportunity to enter an address like a post office box or a different physical address. We also have the contact information here placed on in one section, and again, notice the quick links that are in your program. By just clicking on this, it will easily map the address in this box or the address in your alternate box, or also you can send an email to your email that's listed here. Again, we strongly urge you to include mobile phone numbers in as possible, because with our program now you have the ability to text message mobile phones in your church by ministry or by individual selection, and so we encourage you to have this field filled out as well. We also have placed all the personal information within this section, gender, member type, which is now customizable. By going to your admin section, you can choose to manage member types, which will allow you to customize the selections here, either by renaming them or deleting some of them. And so you will have better control over selections that your users will have in entering information, individuals into your program. Also, we have the marital statuses, age categories, and all the various dates are listed here below, from birth date to membership date and anniversary date. We've also carried over the care information from the child check-in, so that if there is information that you've entered there, it will also show up here, or vice versa. You can easily put the information here, and then again it will populate in the child check-in services. Also, we've added a new field. Now this field will only be, this additional information field will only be viewed by those who have contacted us regarding their denominational organization desiring specific fields for their particular churches. So if you're a Baptist church, you perhaps might want to have a baptism date and other types of information here that would pertain to most all of your churches within your denomination group and or region. So this is something that if you're interested in, please email us at support@churchofficeonline.com requesting for more information. Once you've added your information changes, then again you would click the Save button, and that save would again notify you that all information has been saved correctly. Also, notice that your tabs are here below. We've added to the Household tab a new feature now, so that when you, before you save it, if you would like to create a household record for a new individual you've just added, all you have to do is click this button here and then click Save. And when you save it, it will automatically create that household, which you can view in View Edit Households in your church program. Also, on top of this, we have the other fields as well. Many enhancements have come to some of these fields, like the options fields. You'll notice the envelope number, which some churches use to track contributions, is included in this options field, along with all our other various options, including being excluded from the directory or excluded from text messages, and of course the override of head of household. And so all these features are here in the options, and we also have the notes section, and there would be another notes section for counseling notes for pastors that can specifically only see those types of notes. Also, we've added an enhancement to the spiritual disciplines, such as membership classes and other things that you might have that members would be required or recommended to take in your church. And again, that can be set up in the admin section of your program by going to spiritual disciplines. Also, ministries, whatever ministries that your church has will be listed here, and assignments can be made simply by clicking New Ministry. It gives you the option to select a ministry, such as children ministry, and the role that the person would have, maybe a team leader role, and then just simply update that. Also, custom fields can be added to your program by going to admin again and selecting custom fields. Now again, admin is only accessed by those who have an administrative access level or a pastoral access level or an assistant administrative level. So if you need custom fields added and you don't have that level, then you might want to contact your administrator in your church. Now, our program allows for 3 types of custom fields. It allows for a dated field, which is shown here by simply placing a calendar in the program, which they can select, and then you name the field whatever name you need it to. We also have a value list field, which basically all you have to do is place whatever values that you want, and also giving it a name that indicates the type of area or question that is before those who are inputting data. Also, finally, we have there's also text fields that can be added into the program as well. Once you've done this, then all you have to do again is save, and that information is saved. Again, it indicates to you that the record has properly been saved. Also, we have contributions. If you are of a finance level or higher, then only you will see this tab, just like only you would see the counseling tab if you were a pastor. level. And so contributions level will not be seen by those who do not have a finance level. And so in this program, you'll see the finance person would be able to see the date and category and method and amount. And then, of course, if any changes need to be made or deletions need to be made, then the finance person would do is go to contributions, select manage individual, and from there you can enter the person's name and manage or make corrections to whatever contributions that need to be changed. Also, we have an attendance section which will record the attendance to services and events and meetings, and all those current attendance dates will be posted here, and the most current first. And so this is our new individual view and manage utility, and we're really appreciate the opportunity to share this with you today. If you do have any questions regarding this program, this feature, please contact support@churchofficeonline.com. Thank you.